is Seong Jin, and I'm a postdoc working in the Cosmology Group of the Institute of Astronomy with Professor Tomo. So actually, Professor Tomo was supposed to do this, but he's out of town now, so I'm actually doing this instead of him. So I think, yeah, I have to introduce our group, right? So I think the best way to introduce our group is to show what kind of people here and what they are doing. So this is Professor Tomo, and this is me, and we have one more postdoc, Tetsuya Hashimoto. So Tomo and Tetsuya is now participating in the conference in Hawaii. So now I'm here talking to you. So, so our research interest is presented here. Maybe we can check these a little bit later. So we actually have one PhD student and 4 master students. So this is Saha from India, and he just joined us a few weeks ago, and he just started a PhD course and decided what to do. And yeah, these 2 guys are actually here, and yeah, this Simon and Tina just got into the 2nd year of master course, and they are already preparing to submit a science paper in the academic journal. I think they're really good. So this is Nicole. Nicole is master student, but she already submitted a paper and received a reference report, and she's working on it. So this is Derek from Philippines, and he just started a master course, and yeah, he started his project a few weeks ago. And this is Jimmy. Jimmy is an undergraduate student, but he's already got reference report about his paper submitted a few months ago. So I think he is trying to revise his paper now. So we are actually interested in galaxies. So our purpose is to understand the history of the universe. So that's what we're doing. But more specifically, we are trying to understand this in terms of the galaxy formation and evolution. So in more detail, we are trying to understand how these galaxies have formed and evolved until now. So we are trying to understand how these galaxies have formed, the stars inside these galaxies, especially based on the infrared data obtained by special unique space telescope, which is called Akari, but we also use the other telescopes. And also we use a lot of the other ground-based observatories, such as Subaru or Scuba2 or something like that. Besides that, we also try to understand very strange objects or mysterious objects. For example, gamma ray burst, fast radio burst, or something like hidden agents or high redshift galaxies. Using this kind of data, here the Simon tried to decide the distance to the galaxies, and his mission was quite successful. And now we get the distance to the more than about 100,000 galaxies. So based on this, we are trying to go to the next step. For example, we are trying to identify the hidden agent activity in the universe. In case of Tetsuya, he has been working on the gamma ray burst, which is one of the most energetic explosion in the universe. So he has been working on this for many years. Recently, he found very interesting relations from the gamma ray burst, fast radio burst, which is mysterious bursting signals from the universe. So we also working on the clusters. Actually, we are trying to find cluster candidates or protoclusters in our data. And actually Nicole is working on this issues, this object, which is also distant supermassive black hole. So this is one of the example we are doing. We are using data for analysis. So trying to find out the properties of galaxies, we carry out this kind of modeling based on the observation data from a wide wavelength range, covering the UV to the sub-millimeter wavelength. So this is one of the examples we are trying to obtain. So, for example, star formation rate, stellar mass, metallicity, and dust mass, dust temperature, total infrared luminosity, redshift, or agent luminosity, something like that. So if you guys are interested in the data analysis, and if you want to know how to derive the galaxy properties, you are always welcomed, and you can join our group. So I think this is best way to see our group webpage. So this is our group webpage. So this is it. So if you okay, this is our group webpage. So you can see the latest news of our group and people here. So I already showed this part, but I think most interesting part is latest news. So the Professor Tomo is getting famous every day, and Simon and Tina got the prizes thanks to their research posters. It's 2 months ago, and we published a lot of research paper based on the issues I already explained just before. So also the interesting event in our group is this kind of international conference. We have been trying to hold an international conference based on the observational data. Well, we've got for many years. So yeah, these guys got the best prize in this conference. So so basically, I would like to deliver this simple messages. So you can also do this. You can enjoy science, data analysis, and the universe. So you can achieve your goals, like writing science papers, get the scholarship, and be an excellent scientist. So yeah, that is all. Any question?
Questions? Okay, let's thank speakers.